Welcome to Analog Technologies. We have been serving you since 1997. Hello everyone, we are Analog Technologies and our main products include laser drivers, TEC controllers, TEC modules, high voltage power supplies, SMT, SMD component kits, thermistors, etc. Today I will introduce TEC modules. A TEC thermoelectric cooler is a Peltier module and can also be called a Peltier cooler, thermoelectric module, and thermoelectric cooler, etc. Thermoelectric coolers can generate both heating and cooling thermal power when applying an electric DC current in different directions. When the current flows in one direction, one of the Peltier cooler's plates heats up while the other cools down. As the current changes direction, the TEC plates will reverse their thermal polarity accordingly. TEC modules have many applications. One of them is to keep diode laser chips working at a constant temperature. Thus, the lasers will output a laser beam with a stable wavelength, constant power, and low optical noise. When designing a TEC-based temperature regulation system, choosing the right TEC is critical. These are the general suggestions. Number 1. TECs have a limited lifetime. Their health strength can be measured by the change of their AC resistance. When a TEC gets old or worn out, the AC resistance, the ACR, will increase. To build a reliable system, only good, healthy TECs should be used. Measuring the initial ACR is critical. Make sure that the initial ACRs are within the specification. The ACR must be measured by special meters. Number 2. Try your best to minimize the thermal resistance between the TEC module plates and the thermal heat sink on the hot side and the thermal load on the cold side. Number 3. The best way to connect the TEC module's plates to the heat sink or the thermal load is by metallizing the TEC module's plates and soldering the metallized surface directly onto the heatsink surface and or the thermal load surface. Number 4. Try your best to design the system with smaller maximum temperature difference between the two plates, hot side and the cold side, of the TEC modules, so that the thermal efficiency of the system will be high. It will be best not to require the maximum temperature difference of 30 degrees Celsius. Number 5. When the required maximum temperature difference is small, such as less than 30 degrees Celsius, use large TEC modules to drive small thermal loads, which will result in high thermal efficiency. Number 6. The thermal efficiency of the TEC modules is usually measured by COP, coefficient of performance. It is defined as the ratio thermal output power, electrical input power. A well-designed system can achieve a COP to be less than 2. If you want to know more information, please visit our website at www.analogtechnologies.com.